Imagine walking up to the gas pump or the grocery store checkout line this week and feeling that terrifying, sinking sensation in your stomach as the total price flashes on the screen. Think about the pure, exhausting frustration of doing everything right, working overtime, cutting back on fun, budgeting every penny, only to feel like you're constantly drowning because the basic cost of keeping your family alive keeps skyrocketing. For the last few months, the government and the massive financial institutions have been selling you the absolute most comforting illusion in modern economics. They went on every major news network and promised you that inflation was finally dead, that the worst was over, and that your paycheck was safely recovering. But the March 2026 Consumer Price Index, the CPI report that just dropped this week, violently shattered that magic trick right in front of our eyes. While I absolutely refuse to flash my private portfolio or flex my personal bank balances online because true financial power always operates in the shadows, my ultimate mission is to aggressively expose these exact macroeconomic sleights of hand so you can completely bypass the corporate gatekeepers and protect your own wealth. What the latest CPI shock just revealed is that the system isn't healing, it is mathematically trapped. When you see gas prices suddenly spiking and the cost of basic groceries climbing back up to terrifying levels, you aren't just experiencing bad luck at the pump. You are paying the invisible, compounding tax of a system that cannot stop printing massive amounts of money to service its own suffocating debt. It is an absolute insult to every hardworking citizen who is just trying to put food on the table, while the elites responsible for this mess never have to look at a price tag. Wall Street desperately wants you to believe this is just a temporary glitch, so you keep quietly swiping your credit card and funding their record-breaking corporate profits. They rely entirely on your financial exhaustion and your lack of attention. But here is the ultimate cheat code to break free from this heavily taxed inflationary trap. You have to instantly stop holding massive amounts of your wealth in depreciating fiat cash, aggressively lock in fixed-rate debt before the Federal Reserve is forced to panic and hike interest rates again, and violently redirect every single spare dollar into hard, mathematically scarce assets that actually rise with inflation. You owe it to yourself to stop letting a broken system quietly steal your future. Until you wake up from the dangerous illusion that the government is coming to save your purchasing power, you will continue to be the unaware victim of a multi-billion-dollar wealth transfer designed to keep you permanently paying more for less.